Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben. Today we're talking about something super important, how to sound more natural in English.
All right, so many of our students ask us, Emily, Ben, why do I sound so textbooky? You know what I mean?
Oh, totally. They know the grammar perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
Their vocabulary is great, but something just feels off, like they're speaking from a textbook instead of having a real conversation.
Exactly. So today we're going to fix that. We're teaching you easy, everyday phrases that native speakers actually use, the kind that make you sound friendly and natural.
And here's the thing. Natural doesn't mean speaking super fast or using crazy slang.
Right, exactly.
Natural means using simple, everyday words, but in a warm, friendly way that shows you're really listening to the other person.
Okay, so let's start with our first group of phrases. These are perfect for showing someone you're listening, what we call active listening phrases.
Okay, phrase number one. Oh, really?
This is so useful, Ben. Instead of just saying yes or staying quiet, you can say, "Oh, really?" It shows you're interested.
Let me give you a quick example. Your friend says, I got the job. You can respond, Oh, really? That's amazing.
Perfect. Or if someone says, "The coffee shop is closed today," you might say, "Oh, really? That's weird."
Exactly. Phrase number two. I see.
Oh, this one's great for work situations.
Mm-hmm. It means I understand, but it sounds more thoughtful. Let's say your boss explains a new project. You can say, I see, so we need to finish by Friday.
Right, it's much more natural than saying, "I understand" all the time.
And phrase number three. That makes sense.
Oh, I love this one. It's like saying, "I understand and I agree." Your friend explains why they're running late. "Sorry, traffic was horrible." You can say, "That makes sense. No worries."
Perfect example. Now let's practice these three together. I'll be your coworker, Emily. Hey, I can't make the meeting today. My kid is sick.
Oh, really? I'm sorry to hear that. That makes sense. Family comes first.
See how natural that sounds? Emily used two of our phrases and it felt like a real conversation.
Let's practice these three phrases with a few more everyday situations, Ben. This will really help them stick in your memory.
Great idea. Let me give you another scenario. Your neighbor says, My dog ate my homework. You could respond with, Oh, really? What did your teacher say?
Perfect. And for "I see," imagine your friend explains their new diet plan. Instead of staying quiet, you can say, "I see, so no sugar for a month." That sounds challenging, but doable.
And here's another that makes sense situation. Your classmate says, I'm studying at the library because my roommate is too loud. You respond, That makes sense. Libraries are perfect for concentration.
Before we move on to softener phrases, let's quickly cover conversation starters. These help you begin conversations naturally, especially with people you don't know super well.
First one, how's your day going? This is perfect for colleagues, neighbors, or classmates. It's friendly but not too personal.
It's so much better than just saying hi and then having that awkward silence. You could say, "Good morning, how's your day going so far?"
Second starter, busy day? This works great in elevators, at the coffee machine, or when you see someone rushing around.
And the third one, "Any plans for the weekend?" This is perfect for Friday conversations at work or school. It's a natural way to show interest in someone's life.
Let's try these in context. Emily, imagine we're coworkers meeting in the break room on Friday afternoon.
"Hey Ben, how's your day going? You look pretty busy."
Oh, hey, Emily. Yeah, it's been one of those days, but almost Friday night. Any plans for the weekend?
"I think I'm going to check out that new hiking trail downtown. Maybe catch a movie if it rains. What about you?"
That sounds great. I see what you mean. With those conversation starters, we moved from a simple greeting to actually sharing our weekend plans. That's the power of these natural phrases.
Okay, let's move to our next group. These are what we call softener phrases. They make your English sound more polite and friendly.
Great. First one, I think. Use this instead of just stating your opinion directly.
So instead of saying, this restaurant is expensive, you could say, I think this restaurant is pretty expensive.
Exactly. It sounds less harsh.
Right. Next one. Maybe we could. This is perfect for making suggestions.
Yeah, instead of saying, let's go to the park, try, maybe we could go to the park.
It gives the other person a choice. And our third softener, would you mind? This is great for requests.
Instead of close the window, you can say, would you mind closing the window?
So much more polite. Let's do a quick coffee shop role play, Ben. I'll be the customer.
Okay, I'm the barista. Hi, what can I get you today?
Hi, I think I'd like a latte, please. Actually, maybe we could make that a large. And would you mind adding oat milk instead of regular milk?
Of course, that sounds perfect.
See? All three phrases made that interaction so much smoother and more friendly. Let's practice these softeners in a few more situations. Ben, how about we do a workplace scenario? I'll be your boss asking about a project deadline. Ben, how's the Johnson report coming along? When do you think you'll have it ready?
I think it's going well so far. I'm about 80% done. Maybe we could set the deadline for Wednesday? Would you mind if I had an extra day to double-check the numbers?
Of course. Wednesday sounds perfect. I appreciate you being thorough. Notice how those softener phrases made that conversation so much more professional and polite. Instead of demanding or being direct, I showed respect for Ben's authority while still expressing my needs.
Before we move to transition phrases, let's talk about one mistake our students make with these softeners. They think using them makes them sound weak or uncertain, but actually, it's the opposite.
Exactly. Native speakers use these phrases because they show emotional intelligence and social awareness. It's actually more confident to say, I think the meeting should start earlier than just the meeting should start earlier.
Right, it shows you respect other people's opinions and you're open to discussion. That's actually a sign of strong communication skills, not weak ones.
Definitely. Now let's talk about transition phrases. These help you move from one topic to another smoothly.
Perfect. First one. Speaking of, use this when something reminds you of another topic.
Your friend mentions coffee, you can say, speaking of coffee, have you tried that new cafe downtown?
Great. Next one. By the way. This is for adding information that's related, but not super important.
Like, thanks for lunch today. By the way, I left my book in your car.
Perfect. And number 3, oh, that reminds me. This is when you suddenly remember something. For example, you're talking about weekend plans and then, oh, that reminds me, my sister is visiting next week.
These make conversations feel so natural, like you're just talking with friends. Let's practice using all three transition phrases together. Ben, imagine we're planning a dinner party and you want to bring everything up naturally.
Okay, I love organizing dinner parties. Speaking of parties, did you see Sarah's birthday photos from last weekend? She had such a beautiful cake.
Oh yes, that chocolate cake looked amazing. By the way, I was thinking we should probably order dessert from that new bakery downtown instead of making our own.
Great idea. Oh, that reminds me. I need to ask my mom for her famous lasagna recipe. She's been promising to share it for months.
Perfect. Did you hear how smoothly we moved from dinner party planning to Sarah's birthday, then to bakeries, and finally to family recipes? That's the magic of transition phrases. They make conversations flow naturally.
Exactly. Now our last group, quick reaction phrases. These show your feelings immediately.
These are so important for sounding natural. First, no way. This shows surprise or disbelief.
Your friend says, I won the lottery. You respond, no way, really?
Right. Next one. Fair enough. This means, okay, I accept your point.
Someone says, I don't like horror movies, they're too scary. You can say, fair enough, they're not for everyone.
And the last one. You know what? This gets attention before sharing an idea.
You know what? Let's order pizza instead of cooking tonight. Let's add one more powerful reaction phrase. Are you kidding me? This shows strong surprise or disbelief, usually in a positive way.
Your friend says, I just got accepted to Harvard. You respond, Are you kidding me? That's incredible. Congratulations.
And here's one more bonus phrase. Tell me about it. This shows you completely relate to what someone is saying.
Someone says, I'm so tired of this rainy weather. You can respond, Tell me about it. I haven't seen sunshine in a week.
Before our final practice, let's quickly talk about pronunciation and tone. These phrases work best when you say them with the right emotion and emphasis.
Exactly. For example, oh, really? Can sound interested and excited, or it can sound sarcastic and doubtful. It's all about your tone. Let me demonstrate both ways. Interested. Oh, really? Versus sarcastic. Oh, really?
Great example. And with no way, the key is the rising intonation on way. It should go up like this. No way. Not flat like no way.
And remember, these phrases work best with a smile in your voice. Even on the phone, people can hear when you're smiling. It makes everything sound warmer and more genuine. Perfect. Let's do one final role play to put everything together. We're making weekend plans. Then you start.
Hey, Emily, I think we should do something fun this Saturday. Maybe we could go hiking?
Oh, really? That sounds great. By the way, did you check the weather forecast?
I see your point. It might rain. You know what? Maybe we could go to that new museum instead.
That makes sense. Oh, that reminds me. I have a membership there, so we could get in for free.
No way. That's perfect. Let's do one more quick role play with a different scenario. Emily, this time we're two friends deciding what to watch on Netflix tonight.
I think there's a new thriller everyone's talking about. Maybe we could watch that? By the way, do you have popcorn?
Oh, really? I see what you mean. Actually, are you kidding me? I was thinking the exact same thing. And yes, I have plenty of popcorn. You know what? This is going to be the perfect Friday night.
Wow, Ben used 5 different phrases in one short conversation. Oh, really? I see. Are you kidding me? You know what? And it sounded completely natural, like two friends genuinely excited about movie night. Did you hear that conversation, everyone? We used almost all of our natural phrases, and it sounded like a real friendly chat between friends.
Exactly. The secret is these phrases show you're listening. You care about the other person, and you're part of the conversation.
So here's your homework. Pick 3 phrases from today, practice them in your conversations this week. You'll be amazed at how natural you start to sound.
For your homework this week, here's our step-by-step plan. Day 1 and 2, just listen for these phrases when you're watching English movies or TV shows. Don't try to use them yet, just notice them.
Day 3 and 4, practice saying them out loud at home. Look in the mirror and try different emotions. Happy, oh really? Surprised, no way. Thoughtful, I see.
And days 5 through 7, start using them in real conversations. Begin with 1 or 2 phrases per day. Don't worry about being perfect. Even native speakers don't use every phrase in every conversation.
The most important thing is to be patient with yourself. Natural conversation skills take time to develop, but these phrases are your shortcut to sounding more like a native speaker. Trust the process.
And remember, start slow. You don't need to use all these phrases at once. Pick the ones that feel comfortable and build from there.
That's it for today's Daily Duo English. If this episode helped you, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment. Tell us which phrase you're going to try first. We love hearing from you.
Until next time, keep practicing and remember, you've got this.
See you next time.